Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Rohan Bijou, and today I'm going to do a tutorial on how to delete your Instagram account permanently. So Instagram has made it really hard to, delete your Instagram account on the app itself. They have a different method where they delete the account, and I'm going to show it to you right now. Okay, so let's move to the side, and hopefully the screen recording will show up right now. Okay, so the first thing you do is go to the Instagram app. So let's do that. And right here, I just created a fake account just for testing to show you guys how to do it. So first, let's hit the 3 bars on the top right, and then go to settings, and then go to help. So there is no inbuilt way in the app to delete your account. So it goes through a browser and it's done online. So when you reach help, let's hit help center, and then it pops up a browser. And then you can go to, the search bar right there and type delete. And so you can see the second option is how do I delete my Instagram account. So we click on that and then scroll down, and then there is delete your account right there. And you click that, and you have to give a reason of why you're deleting your account, whether it's too many ads, too many distractions. So I can just say something else, and then you have to re-enter your password. So I'm gonna do that. Then you can click delete, and then it's gonna say, are you sure you want to delete your account? If you want to, you can click OK, and then you're done. You've deleted the account successfully, but there is a 30-day buffer, so you can restart that account. You can so the data is still there on Instagram, so you can bring back that account if you want to. It doesn't delete it permanently for 30 days, so you have that buffer period. So that's it for the video. I hope you found this video helpful. Click the subscribe button if you want to watch more videos like this, and hit the like button if you found this helpful. So thank you guys for watching. Catch you next one. Peace.